In this video, we're going to talk about how to find the equation of a tangent to the curve equation, right? So let's read the question. Let h of x is equals to sin x times f of x, and f is a double differentiable function. That means you can differentiate f twice. Perfect. Such that f of pi over 2 is negative 3 and f prime of pi over 2 is 2. The first question is find h of pi over 2 and h prime of pi over 2. So it's just plug and chug. So it's quite easy. So let's write the problem. So h of x is given as sin x times f of x. So first question is asking h of pi over 2, which is sin pi over 2 times f of pi over 2. Let's see the value of f of pi over 2. F of pi over 2 is negative 3 in the question. So, and sin pi over 2 is nothing but sin 90 degrees, which is simply 1. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Okay, so h of pi over 2 value is negative 3. Let's find h prime. So h prime of x. So first we need to derive the h of x. So how do we do it? Sin x times f of x. So we can apply the product rule. So first we will derive sin x. Sin x derivative is cos x. So cos x times f of x plus sin x times f prime of x. This is the product rule. F of x times g of x is f prime of x times g of x plus g prime of x times f of x. So perfect. So cos x. So now we will plug h prime of pi over 2. So for x, let's plug in pi over 2. Cos pi over 2. Cos pi over 2 is simply 0. So this term will become 0. Sin pi over 2 times f prime of pi over 2. So cos pi over 2 is 0. So this one will become 0. So only this one. Sin pi over 2 is 1. F prime of pi over 2. Let's look at the question. F prime of pi over 2 is 2. So let's plug that. 1 times 2 is 2. So h prime of pi over 2 is 2. The next question B is find the equation of the tangent line at x is pi over 2 to h of x. Okay, so equation of a tangent. What is a tangent? Right, tangent is a line just cutting the curve at one point. So it is a equation of a line. So what does equation of a line consist? Equation of a line in general form or in slope intercept form is y is equals to mx plus b. So m and b. M is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So in calculus, slope of the tangent line is equal to the derivative, the first derivative, right? So we have h of x is sin x times f of x, that is our curve equation, and h prime of x. So we are still finding the derivative at x is equals to pi over 2, right? So that means h prime of x is pi over 2. But we already found h prime of x is equals to pi over 2 in the previous question. What is h prime of pi over 2? It is 2, right? So let's plug that. So h prime of x is pi over 2 is 2, and that is the slope of the tangent. Okay, now we have the slope and we have x is pi over 2, but what is y? Like what is the y coordinate at x is pi over 2, right? Y is nothing but h of pi over 2, because x is pi over 2 and we wanna find what is the y coordinate of the curve, so which is nothing but h of x. H of pi over 2, that is sine pi over 2 times f of pi over 2. I think we already found this value, which is 1 times negative 3. So y of pi over 2 is given in the question, so -3 by sine of pi over 2 is 1. Okay, so the x and y coordinates are pi over 2 and -3. We are finding the equation of the tangent at this particular point, and we already have the slope is 2, and now we just have to find what is our b value, which is the y-intercept. So y is equals to mx plus b, and let's plug in x and y values. Y is -3, m is 2, x is pi over 2. This is just multiplication, not x. 2 times pi over 2 plus b. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. This pi will go to the left hand side, making it -pi. -3 minus pi is b. So let's take minus as a common factor. So it is 3 plus pi. So we have all the values. We have the slope, we have the y-intercept. So the equation of the tangent becomes y is equals to 2x minus 3 plus pi. That is the equation of the tangent for the curve, for the given curve equation. That's it. I hope you like the problem, and if you like it, give it a like, subscribe for more videos. I will also put this notes as a PDF and in the description, so please feel free to download. If you're working in a similar problem, it might be helpful for you, and I will see you in the next video. So alright, take care, bye bye.